Now I'm going to start off giving the sink a quick rinse with some hot water and a few drops of dish soap, just to loosen up all the grease around it. And now I'm going to spray it with some white vinegar, focusing on the lime scale around the top edges where the sink meets the countertop. Now the idea is that the vinegar helps loosen up the lime scale, and later the steam cleaner will blast away the bacteria and germs. Now I'm adding distilled water to my handheld steam cleaner. I'm not using any tap water, as this is the quickest way to damage a steam cleaner. I've attached the jet nozzle, and now I'm ready to get started. Paying especially some attention to those gaps between the counter and the sink. Now the steam's working really well at blasting away everything, especially in between those gaps where it looks really grimy. So I'm going to attach my little brush to get scrubbing on that lime scale. Okay, let's take a look. Now you can see there's still some lime scale, pretty much a lot actually. It hasn't really shifted that much, so with the brush attachment I'm not really that impressed. So I'm going to bring out the big guns, my trusty sonic scrubber. Now I don't know if you could see, but you can see a difference already. Sometimes it's just using the right tools that make all the difference, and this is coming off in no time. Now for the overflow. And my word, look at the stuff that's coming out. Now this doesn't smell, thank goodness, but just knowing all of this was just sitting here every time I use the sink. Okay, now onto the drain. And the handles, oh my gosh, look, these need good steaming too, especially as germs build up on the handles from the constant touching. Now, both the sink and the faucet tap have been steam cleaned. Now I can give everything a good wash down, the sink, the faucet and the countertops. Now I'm going to finish with giving everything a nice little buff using my e-cloth just to bring back that shine. Look at that, almost as good as new. Fresh, clean and sparkling again. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more steam cleaning tips, here's another one coming up. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.